March 16th. Lady! Birthday greetings going out today to American comedian, actor, singer, producer, screenwriter, director Jerry Lewis. Known for his slapstick humor in film and television, on radio, on stage, you name it. He's a slapsticky dude, our Jer. Lady! Originally paired up with Dean Martin to form the famed comedy duo Martin and Lewis, JL is also known for his years and years of charity fundraising telethons, most notably for muscular dystrophy.
Frankly, I'm not sure we need any more caffeine.
Perhaps the result of too much caffeine.
I think we're okay. I think we're okay on the caffeine.
Our Zenbo does a quasi-Lewis, a lady, in our film.
A lady! We're okay!
But the man himself always did lady without the O or hey ahead of it. Lady.